Okay, I'm in.
Okay, now next, we gotta find the disks so we can boot up the server. After that, we hack the computers. If we break into the system, that should open the door to Bellman's secret library. Then, it's a straight shot. We get that gate open, make our way across the library, and we're good. Ooh, just what I need.
Just a few more. I'm a garbage picker now, I guess. I'll take this just in case. Let's just find the discs, please.
I'm building something. Hang on a sec. Yeah, I like this.
Come on, where are those stupid discs?
This should help us.
Now this is it.
We still need to find the discs.
I made something. I did it. Ah! What the
I don't know how it works, but we gotta get this to the server. Should we be doing the thing with the server or what? Let's go!
I'll have you out in a jiffy.
Thanks. It was so disgusting in there.
Come on out. Let's go. This dimension has incredible healing properties.
I dedicate this weapon to every sorry idiot who ever underestimated me. Trap! Don't you think we should at least try to help them or something? Really? Just a few more. Seriously, I'm gonna need some first aid here. Another trap! This guy has no imagination. I see him!
I'm coming back, man.
Thank you. Sorry.
Yes, son. That's right.
Think I know a way out? What?
Oh, God.
Yes! Get ready for Amber.
Server's up. Now let's start hacking.
What the?
Hey, you okay? Come on. You're going down.
I'll just come back and I will so hunt you!
Get up. We gotta go.
Perfect! Out! Finally! I think I need medicine or something. Med kit, please.
I like this.
Ooh, maybe now I can make something big.
Watch out.
Oh my gosh!
What the fuck?
Get lost! I can't even bother coming up with a good insult for you. This is the worst day of my life. Can I at least get a med kit here? My mom taught me a couple things. Watch what I
I am not gonna die again today.
Woo! Shit! That's what I'm talking about.
Can we please hack those computers? That's the way out! Let's get in there! Seriously, I'm gonna need some first aid here. These should come in handy. I'm really good with my hands. And skip the dumb jokes, please.
You know, I left the house. I did not think I'd be
Hustle, ladies! Ah!